In this video, I'm going to show you how much I charged this customer fitting their window hinges. Someone already left the window inside the room. I placed the bottom hinges on the frame and screwed it to make screw holes, and then unscrewed it. Same thing I did with the top hinges as well. I screwed it to make screw holes and then unscrewed it. Then I fitted the bottom hinges on the window. And then the top hinges as well. It was a two-person door. One person had to hold the window and the other person had to screw the window hinges to the frame. I used only one screw to hold the window and did rest of the screws afterwards. I charged this customer £220 to replace the hinges and fit the window. Follow for more content.